Hello, welcome everybody. In this video, I am going to talk about the course pattern, the course of the study that belongs to grade 12 optional English. This year, 2078, grade 12 optional English will be new. So here, in this video, I am going to talk about the course pattern and what is the nature of the course, how the course subjects and how the units are categorized, and how unit wise questions have been asked, and how the marks are distributed according to the units. Being based on this, I'm going to talk about this thing in this video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. That always make me motivate to make such kind of video in the days to come. So watch the video till the end so that you will get ample knowledge about optional English that belongs to grade 12. Now, no need to delay. Let's start the things here. Grade 12, that is optional English. The subject code will be 334 and it is full marks 100. Especially out of 100 full marks, evaluation system can be categorized in two ways. There is external evaluation and internal evaluation. Especially external evaluation, students have to sit in the exam and they have to write in the answer sheet, that is 75 full marks, and internal evaluation will be categorized in different way. That will be for practical aspect being based on some aspect there, and overall pass marks will be 40. That will be C grade. Now let's discuss about the course of study of this subject here. The course of study belongs to in this subject, that is the first unit is about introduction to language and linguistic. So under this topic, students have to learn about language families there and languages of Nepal. There is a varieties of language, that is dialect, register, idiolect, pidgin and Creole. Students have to learn about the various issues and aspect of language under this topic, introduction to language and linguistic. And then next one is prose, that is a literary genre from the literary text. Under prose, that is fictions and non-fictions are there. So under this topic, prose, students have to learn 12 stories there and 10 essays. Students have to learn under this prose. Then next one is poetry there. Here students have to learn about 12 poems from this poetry. Poems that begin with King Lear and his three daughters there, and the three knights, Menning Wall, No Second Troy, Sea Dwelled Among the Untrodden Ways by William Wordsworth. Very interesting poems are there in poetry. Then next drama is there. Students have to learn just sing one drama there, All My Sons by Arthur Miller. That is classic. This drama students have to learn. And then next topic is introduction to critical perspective here. That is to study the literature, various types of perspectives are there. There is a gender perspective, class perspective, then the perspective of margin there, and postmodern perspective, reader's perspective, ecological reading there, and the character perspective. So cultural perspective, students have to learn different types of critical perspective there under this unit. That is in part C. Here the topic number, that is 5. Under that is course of study of this optional English that belongs to grade 12 there. Then now let's discuss about the evaluation system of this course optional English. There are two types of evaluation system regarding the that is formative evaluation and summative evaluation. Here internal evaluation. In the final examination, there will be an internal examination of 25%. Internal examination will be there. This internal evaluation will consist of the assessment areas as given in the table below here. It is given here. Some assessment areas from the marks are also distributed here. We need to care about this. Participation, it carries 3 marks there. And then class work and home assignment, it carries 6 marks there. And project work, here project work student will be assigned some tasks to be done in the project work. It carries 10 marks there. And terminal test, from the test, that is that is conducted in the school. Then terminal test 6 marks there. So overall 25 marks in the internal evaluation. Student get to know. Then external evaluation will be in the final examination. There will be an external examination of 75 marks, and the allocation of the marks for each genre is given below. The specification chart for this will be developed by Central Curriculum Development Center. It was developed by Curriculum Development Center. So now let's discuss how the marks are divided according to unit wise here. So that is area and gender. The subject matter to be learned by the student. So the first one, introduction to language and linguistics. From this topic, from this lesson, 10 marks will be asked in the final examination. Then from the prose, in the prose, that is 25 marks from the prose, that is fiction and non-fiction. Then poetry, from the poetry, 20 marks will be there. One act play, the drama, that is one drama is there. So 10 marks will be there. And the last, introduction to critical perspective, 10 marks will be there. So in this way, marks are distributed according to unit wise there. So they're altogether 75 marks. Well, in this video, I have just talked about the internal evaluation and external evaluation, and I also talk about the course, nature of the course here. I hope all the students will get the concept very clearly here. If you have any confusion regarding this, you can put a comment on this video so that I can reply it. One more thing, if you have any query regarding this subject, regarding any topic, any poem, study and prose, you can freely comment there so that I can put reply there. Now I like to sign out the video from here. Hope to meet you with another interesting video. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Have a good time.